Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, widely known as Fazza, was born on 14 November 1982 in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, UAE. He is the second son of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE. His mother is Sheikha Hind bint Maktoum bin Jumma Al Maktoum, the senior wife of Sheikh Mohammed. Sheikh Hamdan grew up in the royal family of Dubai, among many siblings, including his elder brother Sheikh Rashid, who passed away in 2015. Education. Sheikh Hamdan received his early education in Dubai at Rashid School for Boys and then at Dubai National School. He later studied in the United Kingdom, where he attended the President Second Military Academy, graduate in 2001. He also studied at the London School of Economics. His time abroad shaped in leader discipline and global perspective. Grown parents of Dubai on 1 February 2008, Sheikh Hamdan was appointed Crown Prince of Dubai by his father. Before he served as the chairman of the Dubai Executive Council since 2006. As Crown Prince, he is heavily involved in the governance of Dubai economic strategies, development project and global representation of the UAE. Personal traits and interests. Sheikh Hamdan is famous for his community chairman and deep communication with people. He writes poetry under the pen name Fazza, which means the one who helps. His poem often reflect love, participation, and culture. His fascination about and sports, especially riding, he was many international champion. He is also traveler, nature lover, marriage and family. In May 2019, Sheikh Hamdan married his cousin Sheikha bint Saeed bin Thani Al Maktoum in a grand royal wedding. In May 2021, the couple welcomed twins, a boy named Sheikha Rashid and girl named Sheikha. Public image. Sheikh Hamdan is one of the most followed royal Indians on Instagram, where he shared glimpses of his life, travel, poetry, and leadership activities. Globally, he is admired as modern Arab leader. Legacy and future. As Crown Prince, Sheikh Hamdan is being prepared to eventually succeed his father as ruler of Dubai. He symbolized the youthful, progressive, and ambitious vision of Dubai, combining leadership with humanity and creativity. In short, Sheikh Hamdan Fazza is not just the crown prince of Dubai, but also a poet, sportsman, photographer, and global icon who represents the leadership.